seasons shift and so must we. The old playbook's done, the ink is dry. Time to close that chapter, look up high. Don't cling to what we used to be. New frameworks wait, a brand new sea. Leave the weight behind, step through the door. What's coming next is worth fighting for. It's not about forgetting what we made, it's about letting go of yesterday. Clear the deck, align your mind, leave the rear view far behind. Time to let go, time to rise. Cut the anchor, clear the skies. Focus forward, hold the line. This new structure's yours and mine. No more looking in the rear, the future's calling loud and clear. Drop the past, embrace the new. We're building now, me and you. Hey. Me and you. Hey. Old routines fade, new rhythms start. Fresh blueprints beating in the heart. Every pivot, every shifting plan takes the steady, focused hand. Don't run back to the way it was. Trust the vision, trust the buzz. Align your steps with what's ahead. Let the old way rest, move forward instead. It's not about forgetting what we made, it's about letting go of yesterday. Clear the deck, align your mind, leave the rear view far behind. Time to let go, time to rise. Cut the anchor, clear the skies. Focus forward, hold the line. This new structure's yours and mine. No more looking in the rear, the future's calling loud and clear. Drop the past, embrace the new. We're building now, me and you. Hey. Me and you. Hey. Let the dust settle, let the old ways turn. We're flipping the page, we're ready to learn. Every change is a chance to grow. Keep your eyes locked steady and slow. The foundation's set, the path is clear. The next era's rising. The moment is here. Victory with Ash is coming soon, so stay focused. For future updates, subscribe to the channel and click the bell for all notifications. Share the link to this video. Let it go, step forward, we rise.